Updating your chart plotter makes you feel nervous? It shouldn't. It's not as hard as you might think. So in this video, I will show you an easy and fast way how you can update your Axiom chart plotter from Raymarine to the latest software version. I'm Mo from MARCOM and I will guide you through the video. Short side note. The content of this video was created by me and my team, but we used AI to translate my voice, so please excuse any minor pronunciation errors from now on. Having said that, let's get started with the video. To do this, the chart plotter first needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. A Wi-Fi network could, for example, be the mobile hotspot from your phone or the Wi-Fi network at your marina. Just make sure that the Wi-Fi network has a sufficient internet connection, because after configuring your entire system, the download can be up to 5 GB in size. One important note, you should always perform an update only while in the marina, because the device will not be available to you during the update. So you should never perform an update while at sea. Of course, you'll need the password for your Wi-Fi network. So get everything ready and let's get started. So we're back on our home screen and we click on Settings at the bottom right. We're now in the tab Getting Started. Click here on Update Software, then Check Online. If we're not yet connected to Wi-Fi, we need to click on Wi-Fi Settings here, slide the toggle at the top to the right, and now it will search for Wi-Fi networks. In this case, the chart plotter now automatically connects to our network. If you're logging into a Wi-Fi network for the first time, select your network here, enter your password, and then you'll be connected. So now we click on Back at the top left, and the system will automatically search for available software updates. It may happen that we now get this pop-up notification. This means that for every software update, we should first check the Raymarine website for notes and tips about the current version. So we go to the Raymarine website, go to Products, Chart Plotters, Axiom, scroll down, and here to discover Lighthouse. Here we can now see the current software, and if we scroll down further, we get notes and tips about the current version here. Especially if you haven't done a software update in a long time, you should read this information here thoroughly, because you might need to update to an intermediate version first. Alright, we haven't found any important information for us here, so we click OK. Then check the box up here and we get a new pop-up with a warning. Here's the thing, if we have multiple chart plotters in our system, in our network, then after the software update, we need to restart them so that they're up to date and can reconnect. So we confirm this by clicking OK, and here on the exclamation mark, we can see exactly which version we're coming from and what the new version will be that we're updating to. And I start the download of the version now by clicking on Update. So now the system first begins to download the new software update. If you experience any problems with your Wi-Fi network during this process, the download will simply stop, but the entire update won't be damaged. You just need to go back into the software update menu, check the box, click on Update, and the download will start again from the beginning. While the software version is downloading, check the link below in the video descriptions and get your free access to our demo course. In our online course, you will find further videos about your Axiom chart plotter, as well as various checklists to download from. So see you there. After the download, the new software will now be installed. After a while, the system will automatically shut down and then take some time to start up again. Once it has restarted, we accept the limitations of use again. We're back on our home screen, click on Settings at the bottom right, and we can see that our new software version has been successfully installed. With a stable and reliable internet connection, this is a very quick and easy way to bring your operating system up to date. That's why we prefer this method. If you liked the video, please give us a thumb up or consider subscribing to our channel. Here you will find further videos, and don't forget to click the link below to get your free access to our course and checklists. Fair winds, following seas, and see you next time.